Hi guys, this is Barista Vinod. Today I'm going to tell you about the espresso machine and its parts. Let's discuss this topic. Let's start talking. This is our complete set of coffee machine. This is the country espresso coffee machine. It has different parts which work for making coffee. Some are for pouring espresso, some used for making tea, or some used for warming tray, warming cups and saucers, and some parts of coffee machine is used for as a freeing of dust particles. Yes, from here. This is drip tray. It is used for the drip tray collect the waste part of extra espresso, hot water. Here's all the extra espresso, pour espresso and hot waters come down and goes to the waste. Yes, waste particles comes here and it is goes to downside, and from the pipes we throw this waste particle. And this is warm tray is mainly used for warming cups. And this is cups, Americano cups, and this is cappuccino cup, and this is doppio cup. The main purpose of the warm tray is to warm all the cups and saucers which is used for making at the time of making coffee. And this is group head. It is watered. This is group head. These two are group head, and we use this portafilter here for pouring espresso. Yes, this is double portafilter, and this is single portafilter. Looks the difference between the single portafilter and double portafilter. Double portafilter have double pouring side, and single sort of espresso from here we can pour. It is single portafilter. And this is hot water tap. From here we can pour hot water. We pour hot water. And this is steam on. This is steam on, yeah. And this is steam nozzle. From here we heat the milk. And this is also same, the steam nozzle, and this is keyboard of coffee machine. 30 ml, 60, 45, 90. We shade according to as we need. And these are the keyboards, and this is the screens of this keyboard. Here we can see the times of pouring espresso. Yes, and here we have switch. In downside we have switch, on off switch. When we off the switch, the coffee machine will off, and when we switch on this switch, the coffee machine start. The coffee machine mainly starts working is at 121 degrees Celsius, and here we have to manometer which measure water pressure and air pressure, and this is thermometer which measure the temperature of milk and coffee. Yes, after we making the coffee, and after we heat the milk, we put this thermometer on the hot milk, and we can see the temperature. We can see the temperature of the coffee and milk. Okay, thank you guys. This for today. Next time we will talk in new topics. Okay, thank you.